Good afternoon. We are at the second day of India Ice Cream Expo 2025, and currently we are at the Stonefield stall, and we are having with us Mr. Vinod V. Rajsekharan, VP Global Sales and Marketing. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, good. Thank
And
you.
Kirti Pathur, Marketing Head of Stonefield right now. So we are just coming to the questions now. Sir, how are you getting traction in the show right now, sir?
Really good because today the footfall is really good. And from morning when we entered, the customers just walking in. So there is no stop because we are attending multiple customers at a time.
Okay.
So it's like a wedding function where you keep roaming around, meeting different customers. That kind of feel it is. It's
Okay.
nice, yeah.
So Stonefield is actually the flavor ingredient company just having a traction in bakery, dairy, beverage, confectionery and savory section. So we are coming to the bakery segment, sir. What types of solutions you are providing to the bakery industry right now?
See, we have a range of flavors for the entire bakery end-use market. So starting from enzyme modified dairy, we call it the dairy one. We have cheese, butter, milk, a range of products for bakery. Similarly, we have cocoa extract-based flavors, which goes into various chocolate and cocoa ingredient where you add in the formula. We have a range of flavors for that. Basically, it is cocoa extract plus combinations. We have chocolate caramel, we have chocolate hazelnut, we have chocolate fruit, we have chocolate milk, different combinations of chocolate.
Okay.
And in fact, we have own cocoa extract manufacturing in Bangalore. That creates the specialty. And similarly, we have range of vanilla flavors, which goes into various segments, including bakery and all the ice creams and different segments. So here we are able to showcase. Basically, we are focusing on these three categories. One is the cocoa extract-based chocolate range of flavors. The other one is vanilla, a range of vanilla. Then the enzyme modified dairy. So the fourth one is the natural range of flavors. So that also we are focusing on this expo.
Ma'am, coming to the next question, what types of solutions are you providing to the beverage industry, ma'am?
So, in fact, it's solution-wise, as we just discussed about, it's the flavor-centric approach. It's completely taste solutions approach, I would say. But what really sets Stonefield apart is the creative focus that we have. So, we have, the very two key pillars of the organization has always been creativity and speed. So we are one of the fastest growing flavor manufacturing companies of the country, and having always presented concepts in really innovative formats,
Yeah.
we've always got the door at at some of the major companies of the country. So particularly for beverage also, even it's a citrus portfolio that we're just coming up with. It's going to be all the lovely lemons and colas
Yeah.
in a very something which is at an economical price point, as well as at a very premium range, as well as something which is into like the regional specialty concepts. That's also something that we're thinking of for the citrus portfolio.
Coming-
So similarly, we have a mango range. All these are something specially created for the beverage category.
Coming to the innovations in the ice cream industry right now, they are showcasing a specialized ice cream called Mohabbat Ki Sarbat. That's actually a beverage belonging to the old Delhi. So, sir, how have you just conceptualized this special product?
Yeah, see, our team actually does this regional taste exploration. So our teammates, Kirti and Firoz. Firoz, it's a application on the beverage segment. So they both were actually on a show in Delhi, and they happened to be in this particular Juma Masjid area, and they happened to taste this product, which is a milkshake. But from there, it's a long story. But they like the concept and they tried it in the ice cream format, and that's what we are showcasing
In fact,
this
something
today.
that happened is that since usually that drink is something which is not usually it's a very popular drink,
Yeah.
but not most of the time served in a very hygienic format. So we thought, okay, people love it, but quite a lot of people stay away from it because it's not that hygienic.
Yeah.
Then why not you bring that into an ice cream format? That's from where the idea came. So I think what we generally overlook is India itself is so full of beautiful heritage flavors.
Yeah.
We always look for this, the Belgian and all the international
Yeah,
concepts.
yeah.
But there is a whole storehouse of amazing flavors in our own country, and something that Stonefield really believes is that taste is very personal.
Okay.
You may be very aspirational in fragrances. You may want to like dress up like a pop star, but you would still find comforts in your home cooked mom's food. So it's closer to your roots. There is always a connect. So you can see from a Mohabbat Ka Sharbat to a Madurai Jigardanda.
Yeah.
That's another concept we
Yeah.
have. or these beautiful flavors that are like hidden gems of the country. We
Yeah.
try to bring in, even with an
And-
international twist. We
Yeah.
try to present.
Coming to the next segment, the confectionery segment, sir. So there are a lot of talks about the green label products, the plant-based product in the confectionery segment too.
Yeah.
So is there any type of product you are having that those are green label or those are plant-based solutions for the industry?
See, there is definitely a move towards more natural and clean label kind of products, but still, I would say India is still stuck on with the conventional as well as the artificial range of flavors. People, the mass goes with that because it's all price point, and consumers are look for value for money products at the lowest possible price. So that segment is still the biggest. But definitely there is an interest on the clean label as well as the natural product. So we also have a range of natural flavors we showcase in this expo, both for the ice cream as well as other categories, but predominantly for the ice cream segment. So we have a range of flavors we created, which is getting good traction.
So, sir, how have you seen the changes in the food processing industry right now after 2014, especially when government has introduced a large number of schemes such as PLI scheme for food processing industry and the Atmanirbhar Bharat plan for the of the government. So, is government initiative does it is it helping the food processing industry as a whole?
Yes, of course, yes. Because see, some of the large Indian companies, they are all looking for homegrown ingredient and flavor solutions. So where we come from India, and we are a company started from Bangalore, and we are selling 18 different countries outside. So we are getting a lot of attraction from Indian-owned large companies. So they specifically ask if there is a company who is based out of India, we will get the special preference, because they want to have the same whatever the mandate from the government, the Atmanirbhar. So they also actually considering us into that. So we are getting a lot of mileage on that.
Coming to the Indian market, sir, Indian food processing industry is right now growing at a fast CAGR. You can see here it's a huge population. 1.3 billion people are there, and a huge market. Everyone want to explore here. So, how is Stonefield getting traction in the Indian market right now?
See, what the key differentiator for Stonefield is two parts. I'll say one, the excellent range of flavors. So we have a huge library. We have more than 7,000 numbers of flavors on the category or different categories. And second, we have an excellent application team. So people are from the industry. Like if you say confectionery, the manager who handles the confectionery is from the confectionery industry. Same way, we have expert from the beverage, bakery, or savory, all these categories of the end manufacturer experience, they are one who are driving the application. So application is very key. And the third part is the consumer insights and the market research. So Kirti leads a team, Stonefield Flavor Lab. So they are college students across India. So she actually interacts with them and understands the pulse of the market through these students, and those consumer insight we are actually using as an inspiration for our application-driven concepts. So through which basically we are having marketing as well as the application expertise together with the technical support, we are actually coming up with winning taste solution. That is what our specialty and the offering for the customers.
So, ma'am, you are from the marketing domain. How are you pushing yourself into the Indian market right now, ma'am?
So I think there has always been a time when B2B marketing was looked at as something like it's only about winning a deal, or the lead time in B2B marketing is always like the lead time to close a deal is always longer. So most of the time in B2B marketing, what we generally see is like you talk about the product, the benefits, but I think it has moved very, very, very closer to the end consumer. So what exactly a consumer is looking forward to seeing, or is he or she unhappy with something, or is there really a gap? The way when we launched, say for example, Timeless, this range of vanilla that we are showcasing at this expo as well, it's actually stemming up from a space where in which we could understand that a vanilla, which was considered something very plain and boring, consumers are really looking for variety in even a classic. So even classics must evolve is something which we could understand, and we could see that the time of consuming a certain type of vanilla versus a different type of vanilla is completely different. So because of which we developed 15 different types of vanillas which cater to 2 different moods. So this kind of marketing, maybe in B2B, it's not something which is very, known to, but, thanks to the management of Stonefield, always giving chance to something that is completely new, not just for flavors, but even for marketing.
Yeah.
That's something, we have been able to create a sensation in this industry because of the way in which we present our products to the market as well.
Although you have already created a sensation with some of the flavors which are exceptionally very good and very exceptional in the case. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Best
Thank
of
you,
luck for Stonefield.
Thank you.
Thank you.